Welcome to another video of Makwala Agri. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be talking about the equipment that you need to buy when raising your broiler chicken or pin layer chickens. So the first equipment that you need, it's called an infrared light. So these ones are actually manufactured by Philips. So you buy, Makwala Agri recommend you to buy 2 per 100 chicks. So that they work really fine. I've been using this for the past 2 years. I've never used any source of heating except this light. So I've been broiling my chicken with this light for the past 2 years, and they're really working amazing. So I recommend you to buy 2 per 100 chicks. And then yeah, they're called infrared lights. If you want to know the price, I forgot, go check another video that I've done previously about the prices. And then the second equipment that you need, it's actually a small drinker. I really love what Poultry is doing. So this comes into like 4 pieces. So this is the base, and this is the carrier of water, and then you have your stand. So this stand, it is used to actually carry the feeder. You remember in the previous video that I've been doing, I've been putting my drinkers on some stones. So when I prepare for my brooding, you will see me putting actually some bricks on the ground, and then put wood shaving, and then I put my drinkers just to lift them up. So Poultry have created this stand here for us. So they realized that actually small farmers are struggling to lifting up their drinkers and feeders. So they created this for us. But this one only works on the drinker. And then they've created an anti-drowning ring. So this ring, they've realized that a lot of farmers will put some small stones inside their drinkers for the chicks to be able to drink and to prevent them from drowning. So they've created this anti-drowning ring. So what you do after you have connected everything, you put the ring from the top and going downwards, and this ring is going to prevent your chicks to drown. So it has some spaces here where your chicken can be able to drink. So on the spaces is where your chicks will be able to drink water from. So this is how you put it. Very simple, very simple. So, and then you put it on the ground, and there you have it. It has been lifted from the ground. It went up a little bit so that your chicken or your chicks can normally they can access the water easily. And then over here we have a small feeder. So with this small feeder, you don't need to put it on top of anything. You just need to put it on the ground on your wood shaving, and then your chicks will be able to drink. So we normally use this from day 1 until day 14. Even our small drinkers, we use them from day 1 until day 14. Even our lights, we use them from day 1 until day 14. So these 3 equipment, we use them when brooding our chicken. So when we're talking about brooding, you remember we're talking about a period where we actually babysit our chicken. We provide heat for them. We make sure that everything is okay. The temperature in the house, it's always on point. It's around 32 degrees, and then yeah, everything's fine. So we use all this when we are brooding our chicks. So this is a cap. So this cap, you put it on top of your feeder to prevent your chicks to jump on top of the feed. So you use this small feeder for 14 days, then after you switch. And then I recommend you to buy at least 2 per 100. So if you're gonna be raising 100 chicks, you buy 2 of this. If you're gonna be raising if you're gonna be raising 200, it means you're gonna be buying 4. And as well as our drinkers, if you're gonna be raising 400, you're gonna be buying 8. If you're gonna be raising 200, you're gonna be buying 4. If you're gonna be raising 100, you're gonna buy 2. And then now we come to the big boys. I wanna chill with the big boys. So we have our drinker. So this is an old fishing drinker. We have the new ones that comes with legs. So over here I have the old ones. Unfortunately, the new one, it's on the other house where we having chickens now. So I will share on the video with you and show you how it is. So this is the big drinker. It's a 11 liter. It's 11 liter drinker. So you use this one from day 14 until day, I don't know, when do you guys sell? If you sell up to 7 weeks, you use it until then. So you use this one from day 14 until the last day of your chicken inside your house. So previously, we used to hang our feeders on the ropes like this. So this rope used to come with these feeders. Actually, these feeders came with this rope in the previously when we were buying these big drinkers. So they used to hang like this from the ground. But the problem with hanging drinkers with a rope like this is because when the water starts to be low in the drinker and the chicken will start pushing around the drinker, this is how the drinker will do. It will float, and float. And what happens is that it split water on the ground, and you find that your wood shaving is always wet. So Poultry have seen that problem, like, okay, so these guys are struggling because of this issue. What can we do? That's when they came up with legs that they've created right now with the new modern drinkers that they have. Unfortunately, they're on the other house, but I will share on the video and see and show you how they looks like. I've done a video about them before. So now we go to our big feeders. Even without the feeders, you see here, we used to hang them with this kind of a rope, and then what they will do is that they will swing, as well as they will swing when feeders when feed it's low inside, the feeder will start to swing. It will also split feed on the ground, and then Poultry created these legs. So this is the legs that I'm talking about. So there's a base 1 leg and base 2 leg. So over here you see this is a base 1 leg. Let me put it, let's go this side actually to show this before. So there's the base 1 leg. When you put it like this, it's on a base 1 leg. So from day 14, you can now put your first leg. It will lift them up, and then your chicken can actually access feed easily. Or if it seems like your chicken are really small, you can put it on the ground from day 14, because it looks big as well. It looks big, and then the height is also okay for you to put it on the ground without legs. And then as soon as they grow, let's say around 3 weeks, you can now put your legs as a first base leg. You can put them, and then once they reach 4 weeks, going to 5 weeks, then you put your second leg. So do you see the difference now of the heights? So this is the base 2 leg, and this is the base 1 leg. This is what I'm talking about. So now you're gonna be putting this one. So with the base 2 leg, you can now have these legs until you sell, until you do whatever you do, until you make that money in broiler farming. So this is all I have from me, Makwala Agri. And yeah, we thank Poultry for actually gifting us with some of the equipment that we see here. They are from Poultry. We got them for free. So guys, I appreciate the support of the channel. Let's keep it growing. Let's keep it going. Let's enjoy the festive season. Tango!